What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Playmaker Way with the playbook, and y'all read the title, man. The only gold strategy you need. Use this strategy to find the best gold setups. And like all my other videos and content, this is not clickbait, not a typo. Now, this is your first time on the channel. Welcome. I appreciate you giving this video a chance, and hit that bell and sub button because we don't just post weekly content like this, but we live stream and live trade every day, London session 3 a.m. EST on this very same channel. Last month, we went 45-7, giving us an 87% win rate. We only lost 7 trades last month for the month of August. We caught 219,708 pips. 211,933 of those pips were strictly with the members in the advanced play signal room. To check this out, hit that first link in the description, join the free signal room, free Telegram, and you scroll to September 6th, you'll see this exactly right here. And then we click here, it'll take you to the beginning, the first day of August, where we started it off 2-0, catching 1,129 pips. Every trade posted as my personal entry, SL, TPs, time the trade was posted. You see this was during London session, how many people viewed or into the trade, reactions, and of course those TPs getting hit. Here's some screenshots of some of those positions. So you're interested in that, don't forget to hit that first link. Now let's get back into this video. So I'm about to break down in literally 6 steps how to find the best gold setups. All right, and this is high 90, high 80% win rate, because as you can see, once you have the strategy down, you can catch literally almost every pip in the market. As you can see, we caught most of the pips in the market off gold. So we're about to break this down. So make sure to watch to the very end of the video so you get all the steps down. So the first step you want to do is go onto the daily time frame and identify the trend. If you watch any of my trade breakdowns, the reason why you want to do that is because the daily time frame will give you the flow of price and what price has been doing on a day by day, week by week, month by month basis. You should only go in the smaller time frames to see exactly what price is doing at that time, and most importantly, how it's reacting to your key price levels. You will not see the same thing that you see on the daily and the 15 or the 5-minute time frame. Don't believe me? Pause this video and go on the chart and do some experiments, then come back to this video. Now, if you don't know how to identify the trend, watch this video right here. This video breaks down step by step not only how to identify the trend, but how to identify trend reversals, which is very important. Why is that important? Because think about it. How do we make money off the charts? How do we make money in the markets? Based off what price does. So if you don't understand what price is doing, how are you going to take good setups? You get what I'm saying? After you identify the trend, which is step 1, that brings us into step 2, which is only take setups following the trend and flow of price. Now, again, why do you want to do that? Because as you and I both know, we do not control the markets, and the markets do not care about us. They do not pull out a chair and wait for us to catch the setup. It's going to do it when it's going to do it. It also doesn't care if it's choppy and rangy. It's going to do it until it breaks out of those levels. So if we're in a downtrend like we see here, one, not only do we see way more red candlesticks than green, but the red candlesticks are bigger and fill more volume than the green candlesticks. So also, price is gradually going down more than is going up. So if price is gradually going down more than is going up, and we see way more red candlesticks than green, why would we go for buys? That is counter trend trading. If we have a 70% chance of price going down, why would we go for the 30% chance? Why? Because a lot of people be greedy and they don't like to patiently wait for setups, which brings us into step 3, which is identify the key price levels, which will give us those setups. If you don't know how to identify the key price levels, of course, I break that down with the members in the advanced play signal room, but I got this video here basically breaking down support and resistance and why it's important. So make sure to watch this video, then come back to this one. Now, once we identify the key price levels, basically we have a cheat code in the map and a map of where price is going at all times. So you see we're on the daily time frame. One thing I want to point out is that I've been doing this for a very long time. As you can see here, we caught this entire downtrend at the very peak, right? And then we zoom in even further, you can see that we caught the sells here, and we didn't just catch sells, we caught daily candlesticks. That's how powerful this strategy is. So do you want to catch a bounce or a retracement, or do you want to catch a higher high or lower low, and most importantly, the overall move and direction of price for the day? It's up to you. We caught the higher highs, right? And then once price started the reversal, what happened? We caught the first lower low, the second lower low, the third lower low. And then when price did that reversal, what happened? Caught the buys. Then when price reversed again, we went for sales yesterday, and we called this during the news event. Dropped down, reversed, got a little bit choppy, hugging back at this level. So how is we be able to basically track price every single day, every single week? By following these steps. Now, again, why do we want to identify the key price levels? Well, let's take a look, shall we? One thing I always tell my members and students is if you look to the left, it's going to explain what's happening in the present and what could potentially happen in the future. So we're going to go on a cleaner chart so things can look a bit more clean and clear and we don't confuse ourselves. So let me show you how powerful this strategy is. We can clearly see how this is a support resistance level. But now let me show you how strong and accurate these levels are. This was all the way in August 2020. This was June 2021. This was March 2022. This was June 2023, and this is the current month, September 2023. So we see for over 3 years, price has been reacting to the same levels the exact same way. And if we go on smaller, or we go on lower setups, because again, these are the highs. If we go on a lower support resistance level, we'll see something even crazier. This was September 2019. This was April 2012. This was August 2011. So we see from 2011 and 2019, which is an 8-year difference, and then 2020 as well, how prices continuously treating that level as a support resistance. This one right here, 2021, same thing, 2012. So a whole 10 years, a whole decade. And then we go to these levels is even more accurate. 2009, 2014, 2015, right? So if that isn't enough proof or encouragement for you to identify these levels and strictly trade off these levels, I don't know what else to tell you. So that's going to bring us into the next final steps, which is patiently wait for those setups and then look for 1 to 2, 1 to 3 minimum risk to reward setups. The reason why you want to look for 1 to 2, 1 to 3 minimum risk to reward setups is because, again, we do not control price or the market. So if we're going to take a setup and risk our hard-earned money into the markets, we want to at least make sure the trade is even worth entering. So if we're taking a trade that's a 1 to 2, 1 to 3 minimum risk to reward setup, as we know, price isn't going to always go to the final TP on our favor, but we'll at least make what we was risking, if not more. If y'all enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below any questions, comments, concerns you may have. Don't forget to hit that first link in the description, join the free signal room, free Telegram. Enjoy content like this, make sure to join the advanced play signal room. Only we get all the signals for the week, where the free channel only gets 25 to 50%, but we also have exclusive live streams where I go deeper into depth with how to read the charts and setups and my strategies. We go live during the news events during New York session as well. And just like the London session lives, if you aren't able to attend it in time of it, they are recorded and you can watch them whenever you get a chance. In fact, you have all the lives as well as all the chart analysis from when we started the playbook, which was a whole year ago. So you have all this content to look at. Every day I drop a New York price watch list, which basically goes over the trades we took during Tokyo, London session, and the possible setups going into New York. I don't just say we're looking for buys. I don't just say we're looking for sells. I explain why we're looking for buys, why we're looking for sells. And then as you can see, I get specific price points where to look for entries, exits, and all that good stuff. So again, just in case you missed some of my signals, I basically guide you for a bunch of possible setups that you can look for the rest of the day. Then of course, you know, the signals is a plus. We also have the account size key, would make sure that you're not taking any setups that your account can't handle. Like you have a $100 account, you shouldn't be trading US 30. Then we also have the student and member group chat. I'm obviously not going to pull that up because it has people's faces and pictures on it, but that's where you can interact with the other group, other traders in the community, ask questions. Of course, you can DM me as well. Also, you don't have to just be a member to message me. If you want to contact me directly, you can DM me on Instagram at playmaker_way. Also, make sure to follow me on TikTok at playmakerway. I post daily on both pages. Make sure to check those out. Now, I know some of y'all don't have Instagram, so if you still want to contact me, this is what you can do. Do the free signal room, free Telegram. Then once you see here, the playbook free plays, you click right here. And then right here at the bottom, you click here, and you can message me on Telegram. See y'all in the next video or the next time I'm live. Peace. We out.